So today I'm talking about a Honda with the P1519 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. So what is a Honda P1519 code? Well, it's the idle air control valve circuit malfunction. And what are some possible causes? Well, the idle air control valve or the harness and wiring that goes to it. So it centers around this idle air control valve. So what is this idle air control valve? Well, it's a component that sits up on the top of the engine, usually up by the firewall quite often. And what it does is it regulates the idle of the engine while you're at a stop. So if you come to a stop sign or to a stoplight and you let off the gas, then the idle air control valve will regulate the idle while the vehicle's sitting. When you step on the gas, it's no longer controlling anything, but while you're at an idle or just sitting, it's what's regulating the gas and the fuel ratio mixture going into the engine. A very common thing with these is that they get dirty right in here. They got some small little screens. Hopefully you can see this. And they'll get dirty and they'll get clogged up. So a lot of people will just take them apart and clean them up and put them back together, which you can do. But they can sometimes be really low cost parts. So here, let me jump over on Amazon to show you. You know, they're ranging from 24 to 50 bucks. So this one's $250. So if it was that much, I would try to clean it and put it back in. But if it's like 20, 30 bucks, I would just swap it out personally. But that's a personal option there. You can, quite often, you can clean these things up and then put them back in and they'll start working again. And that usually is the main cause and fix for a P1519 code, is just take this out, clean it, put it back in. But it can also be in the wiring. So what is the first thing to do if you get a Honda P1519 code? Well, the first thing to do is Google your engine, since there can be some variations. Find the location of the idle air control valve and the wiring. Go to the wiring harness, be sure it's all plugged in good, and check the wiring for any opens or shorts and that's getting the correct voltage. Once you know that's good, then take off the idle air control valve and either clean it and put it back on, or get a new one and put it back on, and that should solve the issue. And that's basically it. And the main fixes for a P1519 air code. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a quick brief overview of what you could do if you have a Honda with this code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.